We've got Renault traffic. Got problems, fault codes listed. About the turbocharger pressure sensor. These are the Renault codes. This is a normal ABD code. Now, we're talking about this sensor here, which is the boost pressure sensor. Now, most people reading that would think the sensor is dead. However, if we come out of this and we read some boost pressure values, this voltage should not change unless the boost is coming through and touching to the sensor. Now, if we get hold of the cabling from the boost pressure sensor and follow it down to where it goes into the loom down here, if we wiggle this cable, the voltage changes, as you can see, and the boost pressure will change. So the ECU doesn't know what's happening with the boost. If you go backwards and forwards with this, it changes the voltage. So if you have these codes, it's not always going to be the sensor itself. This looks like a wiring issue where it goes into the loom. I would suspect it's being pinched. We'll have to strip back this cabling, see what's going on behind here, because it's not, doesn't seem to be the sensor itself. So we move the cabling, we get a different reading. And when you're driving, if this is vibrating like this, as you can see, it's going up and down like a yo-yo. So the ECU doesn't know what boost pressure you've got. We're going to get this loom out and have a look what's going on and see if we can fix this problem. Alright, so got our airbox out of the way. So we're going to get in here, receive this loom back, boost pressure sensor. Loom's come back. Now, this part of it is where it goes into the main loom. Looking at these cables, you can see this cable inside is clearly broken. There is just a sheathing left, just holding it together on the purple cable. So I would suspect that is where our problem lies. So what we're going to do is we're going to snip. I'm going to do all three of these anyway because they've all been on the join. I'll snip out this piece, and we imagine we're going to get, there's a break here. If I pull this hard enough, it will probably break. Let's see if it'll break. Well, there you go. Answers that question. That cable is completely broken inside. These two don't look too bad, but they're broken on the same bend. So we're going to join these cables. We'll cut them all, join them if they need them. We'll do this one. Hopefully that should stop our erratic signal. Okay, so manual repair to our cable. Now, if we wiggle it around, we can see voltage does not change. So now the ECU should know what boost we're getting from the sensor. So if you get these codes, don't always assume it is the sensor. Look at the wiring as well. That should be problem fixed.